I've got a couple trucks here. I've got a 1996 extended cab OBS, red in color of course, and I've got a 2001 ton dually, also red. One's crew cab, one's extended cab. They're just more driver friendly to me. They're still old trucks, but you still got all the creature comfort of a later model vehicle. As far as air conditioning, power steering and all that. I've done work on both of them. As far as custom, getting them the way I wanted it. Color matching, painting, lowering, wheels, tires, a lot of billet accents on the inside. Just stuff that I like. But like I said, all these trucks, it's to each his own. Some people like them low, some people like them high. Some people like 22-inch wheels, some like 15s. It's just, it's all personal preference. Well, I like this one because it's a rare truck. This is a short bed dually. They only made this truck in 99 and 2000. Pretty rare truck. You'll see a lot of dualies, you just don't ever see a short bed. So that kind of drew me to this truck. And once I got through building this truck, it was so nice I didn't want to drive it every day. And then I bought my extended cab and said I was going to daily drive it. And it's really too nice to daily drive also. So I just have a lot of fun. No, this is my first show. I love it. It will definitely be back next year. Actually, you're probably going to attend the one in Nashville come September.